Collard Greens TV. We're here with an update video on the broccoli and cabbage grow. This is week 3. As you guys see, they all have got much bigger. They're all looking really healthy. I've moved the tomatoes out of here and moved them upstairs to my other room with the corn. It's a heated room, so they started doing much better up there than they was doing down here. It's a little chilly down here, so these plants seem to like that, so that's why I moved the tomato plants up there. I'm looking to get these outside and start hardening them off next week, so the next time you see them, they will be from up under the light and outside. But I'm gonna probably wait till week 6 to put them in the ground or in the box. Give them a little bit more, time to get a little bit more thickness on their stems. They're still a little thin. They're looking good. Again, this is week 3, broccoli cabbage grow. An update video. I just wanted you guys to see the corn. This is a really quick update. I usually do videos once a week, but the corn came up so fast that I just wanted to do a quick update video. I planted this on March 5th, and as you see, most of it has started to come up. So it's doing well so far. Again, this is my first time ever growing any kind of type of corn. So again, any comments, any tips, anything that you can help me out with would be most definitely appreciated. I want to say New Orleans gardener, maybe Michigan gardener. I'm sorry if I'm not getting it correct. She helped me out a lot with dirt amendment and the things that you can put in corn, the blood meal, the bone meal. So everybody's been pretty friendly since I've got here, so I thank everybody for commenting, everybody that's watching. Appreciate it. Please stay tuned. We will have more coming. We also are part of a community garden that we will be posting on starting at the end of this month and all through the spring and the summer. I forgot to mention, sorry, these are our tomato plants that are growing. As you guys see, I think I showed them a while back. This is week 3 for them. That is a big boy. That is a big boy. There's a grape tomato, and both of these are Roman tomato plants. So I have 5 that I'm going to plant this year. I might plant 6. I may throw a 6th one in there. I'm not sure. But I just wanted to mention that because they were in the corn video. Again, Collard Greens TV. Yay, yay.